On one hand, a gym trainer is shot dead in broad daylight inside a Haryana gym. On the other, the founder of a Delhi-based defense company receives chilling WhatsApp calls from foreign numbers demanding a massive 10 crore rupee extortion. Now, at first glance, these two incidents they appear entirely unrelated, but the investigators have revealed that the exact same names repeatedly surface at the very top. Canada-based gangster Goldie Brar and the ruthless Lawrence Bishnoi network. Hello and welcome to NewsX. I'm Kashish Dhawan. Now let me first tell you the ground reality of this gang network's domestic reach. Just last month, a brazen murder took place near Fountain Chalk in Haryana's Hasi, where a 25-year-old gym trainer, Kapil Redhu, he was shot 9 times during a training session by two masked men on a motorcycle. Now, shortly after, a social media post under the names of Harry Boxer and Sundar Hasi, they claimed the responsibility on behalf of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. While police they verified the post, investigators noted that Redhu himself had 4 prior criminal cases against him. Now let me tell you about the second case, which hit India's highly sensitive and strategically significant defense manufacturing sector. Now the target, it was Sahil Luthra, co-founder and managing director of Vision Trishul Defense Solutions. Luthra, he received threatening messages from international virtual numbers demanding 10 crore rupees, invoking Goldie Brar and Khalistani elements. But as Delhi police dug deeper, a shocking insider threat emerged. Now, 3 accused have been arrested so far: Shamsher Singh alias Sam, Gurpinder Singh alias Prince, and the alleged inside man Jaswant Singh. Incredibly, Jaswant Singh is a former Punjab police officer who was employed inside Luthra's defense firm. Investigators they have alleged that he directly facilitated the plot by providing the physical mobile phone and SIM card used to send the threats. Now this network, it is also tied to the previous firing incident which targeted Luthra in Punjab. Now let me tell you that this investigation right now has cracked open a critical overseas financial trail. Probe materials they have revealed that 10 crore rupee extortion amount was ordered to be paid directly to individuals physically based in Canada. Now intelligence agencies are now mapping these Canada-based recipients and analyzing international communication channels. Digital evidence indicates that other unidentified players are involved, meaning the scope is expanding into a potential joint operation with international law enforcement. Operating from abroad to engineering fear inside India, it is a calculated strategy previously faced by targets like Gippy Grewal and Yo-Yo Honey Singh. But right now, the net is closing. On July 7, 2026, the US Department of Justice announced a massive multinational crackdown codenamed Operation Hardball, arresting 24 individuals across the US, Canada and Europe. Formal charges have been filed against Bishnoi and Brar, linking them to the 2023 conspiracy to assassinate Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Now, US officials, they will seek Bishnoi's extradition from Ahmedabad's Sabarmati jail, while Canada has designated the network a terrorist entity. And a Delhi court has framed domestic MCOCA charges. Now, from a gym shootout to corporate extortion, the strings are being pulled from overseas. But with global agencies acting in parallel, the crackdown has entered a whole new phase. Thank you for watching.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.